Hi, this is Denise Mathew, and today I'm going to make these lantern style earrings. I've used 8mm rondelle turquoise beads and also 12mm wooden beads. They're like a tube shape. I used 3 chains for the tassels. You could use more if you prefer, and you could make the tassels much shorter if you like as well. This would also work well as a pendant. So let's get started. I'm working with a 22 gauge wire, and all I want to do is just make a loop, and then I'm not going to close the loop. I'm just going to thread on 3 pieces of chain. Now the chain is about 1.5 inches. You could use longer or shorter chain, whatever you like. And you could definitely use more pieces of chain to make a more full tassel. Once your chain is on, you're just going to close the loop. So just grab hold of your circle and just start to wrap down a few times until you have no more wire. And then just tuck in that last little bit of wire so it's pushed against the other wire so there's nothing sharp. Then you're just going to thread on one of your turquoise beads, then your wooden bead, and then one more turquoise bead. Then you're just going to do another closed loop on top, so just a 90-degree angle, and then wrap the wire right around your pliers, your round nose pliers, and then start to wrap down a little bit, a few times. And when you're wrapping down, that's going to tighten the wire so that your beads are pushed together a little bit better. Once you've wrapped a few times on top, then you're just going to take the wire across the turquoise bead, and then you're just going to wrap it right around in between the turquoise bead and the wooden bead. You're going to go right around once until you get to the same place where you wrapped across the bead, and then you're going to go across the wooden bead the same as you did with the turquoise bead, and then in the center again of the turquoise and the wooden on the lower end, and then you're going to go wrap around once more and then come back to the same area so that you can wrap at the same place across the bead and right down to the first couple wraps you did when you closed your loop. So that's where you're going to do a couple more wraps, just enough to hold it in place, and then just trim back the wire. And just make sure everything's tucked in so there's nothing sharp that will catch on your clothes. Then just open an ear wire and attach it to your earring. And when you're doing that, just make sure that the wraps that you did across the beads are to the front of the earring so that you can see them when you're wearing them. And that would be your completed earring. So that completes the tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.